Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're going to withhold some of the information here. This is obviously an AM-FM 8-Track out of a 70 Chevelle. I'm not going to disclose the owner's name or his city and state of residence because his wife called me and wanted to go ahead and move the job up to a level 2 so that he can have it, so that she can surprise her husband by having it ready by Christmas. So job is complete, so we're just going to give it a quick test before we send her back. I have all of the FM, actually I have all the station presets, preset the stations in my area. Now on this radio, pushing the leftmost button forces the AM mode, so you cannot preset an FM station with this button. You can only preset an AM station, and so after we run through all the 4 FM presets, then we'll make sure that the AM preset comes to life. So let's turn her on. I'm just going to run through our FM presets real quick. Okay, that one drifted a bit. We'll just reset that one. There we go. Okay, and then this one puts it on AM, and that's our strong AM station in the area. Okay, I never reused the original fader control because most of them don't work anymore. They're self-destructive by design. So we have both a front rear fader and a left right balance control. It's all in the tone control. I'm going to show you how to activate the front rear fader. We're going to turn our tone control to roughly the center position so we've got room to turn in either direction. To activate our virtual front rear fader, we turn our tone control twice to the right. We're going to need our output level meters to see the results of our adjustments. So here we go. And okay, tone control twice to the right.
So if you're arguing that there's a fader adjust.
Fader adjust. Okay, so now the same control is adjusting the front rear speaker balance all the way front, all the way rear, front, rear. Okay, I'm going to center the adjustment.
A right to abortion under liberty. This is ridiculous. And she couldn't. Fader set.
Fader set. Okay, let's try the left right balance control. Same procedure except we turn our tone control twice to the left to activate that. So here we go.
Balance adjust.
Balance adjust.
He went through
and now the same control.
That had been overturned, and
this is all done with the tone control. Okay, I'm going to center the speakers.
Which, by the way, the left is now somehow arguing.
Balance is set. Okay, now we can take our tone control back to how we like it to sound, which for most people is going to be all the way up. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode, indicating that it's operating properly.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so the unit is now trying to pair with a portable audio device, and of course I don't do all that on the videos. Let's go. In 90 seconds, she'll come back on saying pairing not completed. While we're waiting for that, let's do our. We got Neil Sedaka in a Jim Reef case. Let's test the 8-track function.
Obligation and oath of office.
Okay, we're right at the end of a song here, so we'll just. Let us start the next song. We'll check our output level meters here. Make sure we get all speakers operating with the 8-track function.
I don't believe a word they're saying.
Okay, pretty good proof there. Let's switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, that's my fault. That's the tape. Okay, I'm going to eject the tape with this button here. And as I tell everybody, if you're able to pull the tape out without damaging the knobs or control shafts, it's probably better to do that because I don't really trust the mechanical strength of this eject button. After 50 years of winter and summer cycles, plastic becomes very brittle, and because the front of this button is at a downward angle, pressing it straight in is going to make it want to go down. So you want to make sure you're pressing this button definitely straight in. You definitely want to make sure you're pressing this button straight in when you're ejecting that tape. So let's make sure that our dial light works. You can see it flashing on and off in response to my commands. So the whole unit is working properly. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you can reach me for service at 928-533-9666. Please visit my website before calling me so that you already know my prices and all the options I offer, precautions, stuff like that. Please visit my website before calling me. Thanks so much for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.